Hello and welcome. All chronic disease begins with a biophysical energetic shift, long before it manifests as a chemical disease. What sets this approach apart from conventional medicine is that it recognizes the role of unprocessed emotions and environmental toxins on structured water within cell membranes, mitochondria, and organelles such as the endoplasmic reticulum. When we are under stress, whether emotional, chemical, or physical, our cells shift from oxidative phosphorylation to glycolysis. This is known as the Warburg shift. It is well described in oncology, but also has an immune system component. While this shift helps us survive in the short term, chronically it drives inflammation and the progression of degenerative diseases. This part of phase 1 of the cell danger response, called inflammation, starting with cell membranes reducing their permeability in the presence of harmful emotional resonance patterns or chemical toxins. As nutrients can no longer enter the cells effectively, mitochondrial dysfunction and a low energy state develop. In this low energy environment, our metabolism becomes dysfunctional and produces waste that cannot be efficiently processed, leading to a sterile inflammatory response. This sterile inflammation attempts to digest the waste, producing cheiotropes that help break it down and generate some energy. However, this non-resolving inflammation becomes the background for all chronic degenerative diseases. Inflammation is not just a chemical fire. It is an electrical, biophysical disruption within your living field. It changes ion flows, the structured water, and your cellular charge. It is also non-specific, meaning it burns everything, damaging healthy and unhealthy structures alike. Our body is a biologically closed electrical circuit. The mitochondria are the power source, plugged into the living structured water membrane matrix. The structured water layers act as wires, while the endoplasmic reticulum functions as a capacitor, storing and releasing energy to support the cell membrane matrix, which is responsible for the interface between the body and the soul. Water, fascia, membranes, and mitochondria together form a living, flowing energy system, where each component communicates and supports the others. Chronic diseases typically break this chain at different points, while herbal medicine aims to repair these damaged links using targeted plants. Our cell membranes act like SQUIDs, superconducting quantum interference devices. Essentially, they are highly sensitive magnetometers, detecting subtle changes in the quantum field generated by consciousness. Supporting this idea, general anesthetic agents change cell membrane characteristics, such as their fluidity and the structured water grid around them, leading to a loss of consciousness. Our membranes sense and organize the biofield. Membrane stability is essential for coherent energy and information flow within the body. Mitochondria power this entire system. Importantly, not only do they generate energy locally within the cell, but they can also receive charged particles from greater distances through the structured water matrix power grid. In plant medicine, herbs are classified based on their tastes, each having specific clinical roles. Sour herbs astringe the matrix by inducing gel to bulk water phase transitions. Sweet herbs provide hydrophilic polysaccharides that build the proton battery. Bitter herbs stabilize the lysosomal matrix. Pungent herbs protect membrane integrity by inhibiting lipoxygenase enzymes. Salty herbs introduce cations that soften a cross-linked matrix. Blend herbs promote autophagy and diuresis. Trauma, toxins, and thoughts interfere with different parts of this system, usually damaging the structured water layers, acting like cheiotropes, creating organized chaos. Certain plants and Western medicines act as cosmotropes, helping to rebuild order in these disrupted systems. In the upcoming videos, we will show how all chronic degenerative diseases, from hypertension and psychiatric conditions to diabetes, neurodegeneration, autoimmunity, and cancer, are the results of disruptions in this system at various stages. We also recommend watching our video on plant chemistry and structured water to deepen your understanding of these principles.